Hi friends, I'm Direct. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to add bulletin points on your WPS presentation on your mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So I'm just going to show how to add bulletin points on your WPS presentation on the mobile. So I'm just going to add a blank document here. So now I'm just going to add a slide here, and okay, so let's be a title only, or you can just add another thing like blank. I'm just going to add first, therefore I'm just going to add a text box here. I'm just going to type as a Nokia and mobile. Okay, next of all Apple. Okay, so I just need to make a bulletin points for this particular thing. So I just going to resize this. I'm just going to place here. Just click it and click on this icon or the option on the top bottom. And now you just want to scroll down on the home section, and you will find the option here. This is just talking about. Click on the stated option. Here you can find bulletin points. So there is a different total of 7 different bulletin points. Have a tick option, dot option, diamond option, like that. You can just use which bulletin points you just needed, and this is how you just insert your bulletin points for your points on your WPS presentation on your mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.